Flexi Factory Elephant, and yes, I did forget to press record the first time I took it off the base plate, so I faked it the second time, but here he is. Yep, easily slipped off the base plate, and look at this cutie. A fully articulated trunk for lots of flexi movement and ears that waggle. And then watch him balance on his ball. If I can get the ball round the right way, that is. Easy, there he goes. How cute is that? Now let's zoom in for a close-up. Isn't that the cutest little flexi elephant you've ever seen? And over on his other perch as well. Balances so well. He's printed using tricolour silk, red, green, yellow, I think it is.